it's Isabelle. Welcome to or back to my channel if you're new here. Today I have another video for you guys, and I apologize for being such a long time frame in between my posts, but school is a full-time job for me and it's kind of difficult to film and do well in school at the same time, but I'm trying to get better at that. So without further ado, I have a new video for you guys today, and that is a room tour. And I'm super excited to share this with you guys today because I finally finished decorating my room and I've achieved this aesthetic that I'm proud to share. And so I hope you guys like it as well. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so right when you walk in my room, this is kind of just what you see. Nothing too extravagant, but this is my cart full of all my necessities. Top we have all of my face stuff. Down here we have perfumes, medications, lotions. I have feminine hygiene products down here as well as replacements. Obviously under my bed you can kind of tell, but I don't have a lot of storage unfortunately, so this is all like food and stuff. I have some toilet paper, that kind of thing. Moving on to my dresser, I just have a Roku TV and this dresser that came with my apartment, and there's 4 little drawers. In the first drawer I mainly just have t-shirts and like pajama stuff. Those are athletic shorts and pajama pants and shorts. This drawer I have mostly jeans and shorts and a few like patterned shorts down there. In this drawer I keep some hoodies and crew necks, as well as these are like joggers and my leggings. And in this final drawer I just keep a few more pairs of jeans. These are like tube tops, a scarf, and a cardigan. Moving on from my dresser, I just have this little organizer thing I got from Target. And I keep my jewelry, which I got this holder from Home Goods. This I keep my earrings and like it's like a travel jewelry thing. I have a salt lamp. This is a desk, a bed desk, if you know what I'm talking about. In these drawers I just keep basically like chargers for my calculator and other miscellaneous things, command hooks, some electronic stuff, and then like other random goodies, I guess. And then moving on to my closet, I have another one of these storage bins, also from Target. I just keep socks and underwear in there, sports bras and spandex, and some food items down here. Currently, I have a bunch of crew necks folded on top of this thing because I don't have that much room for that. I also just have jackets, my laundry basket is back there, and then I have shoes basically like all on the floor here and over there. These are all my lovely sweaters and tops. As you can see, I mostly stick to like yellow, reddish sweaters. Don't stray. This one obviously does not fit and I still love it. But on this shelf, it's kind of hard to see, but I keep my hair tools there, as well as like a duffel bag when I travel home or to other places. And then I have this mirror. Don't mind my outfit. I have a nice top with some pajama shorts, but this just slides open, so it's actually like 2 mirror doors, but I keep it at one so I can easily access my closet. Moving on from my closet area, this is just kind of an overview of my desk area. Nothing too fancy. I just have this chair that came with the apartment and I threw a white blanket over it to make it look a little nicer. My backpack's down there. I have all my like textbooks, notebooks, stuff like that. I have my iPad, my laptop, this planner, a lamp, and just some like pens and stuff. I got this picture frame from Hobby Lobby for Christmas. I love it. And then up here I have just some fake plants, some pictures, another frame from Hobby Lobby, and some candles. Behind there's letters that say ICM for my initials, but it's kind of hard to see right now. And then that transitions to like this desk nightstand area. But I have my candle warmer, all these plants that I'm being a good mom to, plant mom, and I'm so proud of that. I've never had a green thumb, but these are my babies. Then I have this yellow lamp, and I love it because it really matches my theme, of course. Then down here I have all my makeup stuff is right here, and I keep books, candles, some other random stuff. This is a fire hazard, as my dad would say, but you know, you really gotta do what you gotta do. Moving on to my favorite part, everyone's favorite part probably, is my bed. It is beautiful and I love it. I got this big mirror from Target. It's the Magnolia collection one. And then I have my bedspread from Amazon. These 3 pillows are from the At Home store. This long one right here is from Home Goods. And then these pillows back here are my bed sheets, which I can give you a little up close. They're just this like geometric print, also yellow, that matches my room. That's from Amazon as well. Then this mustard yellow throw blanket is from Home Goods as well. I printed this picture out and then put it in a frame. Yellow. I know everyone thinks it's kind of weird that I did that, but I mean it really goes with my room. So, and then this I got from Hobby Lobby. This I don't remember where I got, but I basically just hung up scrunchies and some Polaroids. And then I have pictures of all my friends and family and my dog. And that kind of wraps up my room. On my door I keep a hair towel and a robe. Okay guys, well that is my room tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I've kind of waited a while to film this video because I wanted everything to be right and I was missing a few pieces in different places. But now that it's all come together, I'm very happy, very proud to share it with you guys, as well as just happy to have it all done myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my future videos. And once again, thank you guys for watching.